antidepressant worked hard to help with my depression, but sometimes I still struggled to get going, even get through the day. So I was honest with my doctor. I told him I'd been feeling stuck for a long time. He said that for some people, an antidepressant alone only helps so much, and suggested we add Abilify, aripiprazole. He said that by taking both, some people had seen an improvement as early as 1 to 2 weeks. I wish I'd talked to my doctor sooner. Abilify is not for everyone. Call your doctor if your depression worsens or you have unusual changes in behavior or thoughts of suicide. Antidepressants can improve these in children, teens, and young adults. Elderly dementia patients taking Abilify have increased.
Okay, so here it is. It is a very cool den with all the clouds and the globe. I mean, the orb, the fire, the beta carrot, the telescope, and all these cool things. She is very rare, so this is kind of cool. Right now we are going to go to Woot. Let's see if I can try to go to Woo Woo's den. No, I don't think I could. Okay, then let's... Okay, so let's just go back to this den. Well, this is a very special den to me. A lot of eagles and a lot of... the game Swoopy Eagle. And all that cool stuff. Well, bye. Short video. See you later on the other videos. Bye.